Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the difficulty mode on the home workout application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on settings. Here you can find the difficulty mode, which is the second option in the settings section. It's now set to intermediate, but as you tap on it you can set it to easy and hard too. Easy means that it includes 5 repetitions, intermediate includes 10, while hard includes 20 reps. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to select. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.